Hey guys, I'm RJ from Xprite. Today we're going to be showing you how to install our red halo fog light and headlight combo kit. Alright, so the first step is to go ahead and take off this plastic cover right here. There's going to be a screw right here and a screw on the opposite side. This is going to allow me easier access to the 4 bolts that are attaching the bumper to the frame. Alright guys, to take off the bumper, you're going to remove these 2 bolts. Alright guys, so to remove your bumper, first thing you're going to do is go ahead and unclip your existing fog lights. And then you're going to unbolt these 2 bolts right here. Once you remove the bolts from each side of the bumper, you're going to remove the bolts underneath it, as well as these right here. Same for the opposite side. Alright, so to install the fog lights, it's fairly simple. All you have to do is remove the whole bracket and fog light itself with just 2 bolts that are underneath the bumper. So these are the 2 bolts that you're going to have to remove to get that fog light out. Once both bolts are out, you can go ahead and just slide this out. Might be a little bit tight of a fit, but it's fairly simple. Alright, to remove the fog light, you're just going to remove these 4 screws. Once you have the stock fog light removed, just simply place the aftermarket one back in. And you'll just go ahead and screw in the screws that it came with. First, you're going to want to remove the clips from your grill, and then go ahead and remove the grill itself. Before you remove the grill, you want to make sure you unplug your turn signals. First, you're going to want to remove these 4 screws to remove the silver headlight bezel. Once you're done removing those 4 screws, you can go ahead and remove the bezel. And once that's done, you go ahead and pull up the headlight. Since this Jeep has stock LEDs, you're going to need to purchase additional set of brackets. Because these ones come with the brackets attached. Now when you're installing new headlights, you're probably going to need to make some adjustments. You're going to do that with this screw that's located right here.